Well, I got that cylinder off. What I did was I used the flywheel puller and put it underneath the jack, and put that chain above it, and then this wood over top of the piston of the bottle jack, and use the flywheel puller, put it in there like that against the piston in there, and put the head bolt on and the jack, and I got it off. So now I really got to get to this one, but problem is with this one, it's pretty deep, so I'm gonna have to adjust this puller thing out a little bit more, and maybe I can get that one loose. I just put a bunch of lubricant down in there, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Alright, more to come.